For Saturday, April 21st, look for the Miami Heat to win by 5 touchdowns over the Washington Wizards. Look for the Heat to gain momentum going into the NBA playoffs. Look for the Heat to make an unprecedented epic run and close the fucking door. They couldn't close the door last year in the championship, sweeping the playoffs, pissing on all opponents, going up 2-1 on Dallas, and then choking. Not happening this year, not happening in this game. Let's bet the Miami Heat to win by 5 touchdowns over the Washington Wizards for Saturday, April 21st as your free pick phone winner. And right now, for my personal plays, private plays, high roller plays, 100-dime plays, give me a call right now on my 800 service. My trained and expert staff will give you more free winners and also my best bets. 800-676-7716, 800-676-7716, 800-676-7716. But tonight, Miami Heat by 5 touchdowns over the hapless Washington Wizards.